bird, and it has been flying in my room. It scared me to death. And now we are all, well, some of us are trying to get it out of the guest room closet. Look at Sarah. She's scared to death. Oh, poor Megan, devastated. And look at my poor mother. Well, you can't see her, but we're trying our best to get this bird. All we want is to give it a better home.
Just touch the sleeping bag. Touch the sleeping bag. Like, what?
Touch the sleeping bag.
I can't reach it. I'm hooked.
She can't reach it.
I'm hooked.
I'm hooked on you.
No matter what happens.
Where is the bird?
No, Ashley's stuck.
Ashley's stuck? Excuse me, folks. Ashley is stuck.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's great.
Watch the bird just fly out while we're doing it.
I know, right? It's like, no, don't scare Sarah.
Oh,
Poor Sarah. Poor scared little Sarah. Poor Megan. Devastated Megan. Look at that beautiful picture. Oh. Dude, this is going to be an awesome day to remember this.
Don't you record my butt getting stuck?
I would never.
I'm trying, dude. What? How did it get stuck? Wait. Let me, watch out. Let me try. Wait.
Oh, here comes Sarah to the rescue. Da 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 da. Da da da. Oh, I got that.
Like something like to touch it with. Will this work? Ooh, that'll work.
Here, watch out, you guys. Birdie. Mama has a big head. It's okay.
I heard it flying.
You heard it fly? How can you hear it fly?
What if you're smothering it?
Oh, there it goes, you guys. Did you see it? That was. Oh, there it is. You see it, folks? Let me get a close up of this bird. You see it?
I don't see it.
I see it.
It's up there on top of that
green thing. Yeah, I saw it. Whoa! Big bird.
Shoot. Almost
Oh, look, there's the bird right there, you guys. You saw it, didn't you?
Store needs to move over.
Now you want a birdie after you just
back there on the top of that.
Where'd that mouse go?
I know. But wait,
Seriously, they have a striped mouse and they can go.
That's Sarah for you, folks. This is a great day for all.
except for the bird.
Oh, Sarah. There goes the bird, you guys. Look at it. Whoa. You got it. She got it. Wait, I want to look at the bird. Bring it in the light. Bring it in the light. I want to see him. Oh, no, cute little birdie.
Get him outside.
Wait, Mommy, I didn't get him very good. Look at the beautiful. Your name is Dilly. Dill Pickles.
Good job.
Good job, Ashley. Ashley, you're my hero. Ashley is so brave. I love her.
Oh my gosh, it's just a bird, Hannah.
Still, folks, still. Hey, we should totally watch this in like 5 seconds.
Open the door for me.
Let's set him free.
Close the door first.
Close the door, Megan. Let him go.
He doesn't want to go.
He doesn't want to go. It flew at me. Look, there he is. It like flew at us. No, please don't. He wants to go back in. Look at his face. Look at his face. There he goes. You guys are geniuses. Oh. She thought it was a bird. It's a bug. Sarah, it's okay. It's okay.
That was exciting.
Wait. That moth's trying to get in there. That's a miniature bird.
Mom, you're my hero.
Go. Close the door.
Hurry up. That's the end of
That was funny.
the Bird of Doom.